Hello, my name is Tyson Gowdy. I am 32 years old and I currently live in Mitchell, South Dakota. I originally am from Artesian, South Dakota, where I went to high school at Sanborn Central High School and I graduated in the year 2008. I am currently right now in my second year at Mitchell Tech, where I am working on my Associate of Applied Science degree and Administrative Office Specialist. I hope to graduate here in May, which is coming fast. Something about me, I have two kids, both boys, and they are ages 5, and his name is Grayson, and age 7 months, and his name is Titus. And they are the joy of my life, and they are the reason that I went back to school and my motivation to do well and set goals and give them a life that I know I never had. And some interest of mine would include sports. I'm an avid sports fan. I played football and basketball in high school, and I continue to watch them religiously to this day. And now with having kids, it's a joy to be able to play the sports with them and watch them fall in love with the same things that I grew up loving. And so that is something that we do a lot, is go outside or go to the rec or wherever we can find a spot to just throw the football around or shoot basketballs. That's what we're going to do. Another hobby or interest of mine would be painting. I've worked for my uncle in painting for about 8 years, and I've learned to love it, and something that I'm pretty good at. So something that I may continue to do after schooling and hopefully be my own boss maybe someday if I do go that route. Some goals for the class that I would like to get is to become more educated on how to use multimedia concepts to my advantage in marketing whatever business adventure that I do end up going into. Some future plans of mine consist right now could be possibly my own painting business, or something with athletic or sports, like an athletic shop where we would sell clothes and other sports equipment. Or another thing would also be a sports bar. I've always been intrigued with sports bars, and those are things that I have currently in my head. I have not really leaned one way or another on any of them, but something that I always keep in mind when I think about what I want to do after my schooling. I would like to use this class, the multimedia concepts, to further my skills and develop new skills that will help me become the best that I can be in what I potentially want to do. And I know that social media is something that is not going away, and it will only get bigger. And so I want to make sure that I am on top of all the new things, of everything that maybe I just don't know and missed out on. I want to be able to make sure I am up to date with everything that needs to be known to be successful in whatever venture that I decide to go through. So I am very excited for this class and excited to learn all the new skills that it will teach me, and hopefully put those skills to great use. Thank you very much.